In this video, we're unboxing the Meter Smart Grill Thermometer, which we've got right here. This is the Meter 2 Plus, and we're gonna pull it out of the box inside. I really like this packaging so far. It says Generation 2 Smartest Meat Thermometer. So let's open that up and see what is inside there. Okay, we've got some instructions. There's a calibration certificate, so these come calibrated from the factory with a little certificate. It tells you that this one passed. That's nice, so that you know that the temperature is going to be accurate. We've got our instructions inside here, so it tells us what we need to do with the meter thermometer. So what you've got is a battery in there's a little case. We'll open this up a little bit more, and there's a battery inside this little stand or case. You need to remove the little plastic from the battery, let it charge up for 15 minutes, and then it's ready to get set up on the app. So that's a really easy setup, and it's got some information if you want to go through the manual. So I like how it's in these little cards right here that all fit in that nice packaging. Even this right here, the instructions, you can see it's this nice thin little instruction package. It fits right in there. So that's kind of cool in terms of how they designed their packaging and instructions and everything with this, so that there's not a whole bunch of waste or anything like that. Now let's open it up further. This is the actual meter thermometer itself and the charging stand. So that's just a piece of cardboard they have in there to keep it secure. And then now let's just dump this out here so we can see it a little bit better and exactly what is going on here. So this is the meter thermometer itself. We can pull it out and you can see the stand. It's got a little hole where the end of the meter thermometer can be placed. And then this is like a spring right here. So this thing is really well designed. I believe it's bamboo. And then there's a little LED light there that's going to tell you the status of the thermometer. And then this just tells you that you need to insert this up to this line when you are trying to detect the temperature of meat. And then on the back here, this is really cool too. This is magnetic. And then back here you push and there's batteries and the barcode to get this all set up. So really cool design and well thought out. And let me put this back in here. And this is how this could be stored in a drawer, or I think it's a really cool piece of equipment. So I'd probably just actually put it on the countertop. If you grill a lot, this thing is great because what it's going to do is allow you to check the temperature remotely from your phone, or let you know when something is done to the desired temperature. So you can put it in there, shut the grill, and it's going to give you real-time temperature information. So that's what's really neat about this Meter Smart Thermometer. And I just think the packaging is really well thought out, and the overall design seems really high quality and really clean. So excited to test this one out. I've used the previous generation, really liked it, and now we're going to try this one out. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Meter 2 Generation 2 Smart Meat Thermometer.